So, family and friends, I am still in the process of beating this COVID infection, but I just want to come out here today and share with you a few tips of what I've been doing. And please take a look at what I have for you, and hopefully it will be of great benefit to you and your loved ones. Guys, speaking from a healthcare standpoint as a registered nurse, these are value-worthy tips that I find worthy to share with all of you. And also, I will be also adding a vitamin C nutrient-packed dense juice. Research supports the use of vitamin C against respiratory viral infection. It actually reduces the duration of the illness as well as the symptoms accompanying with upper respiratory infections. So guys, this is a powerful knockout rich in antioxidants and vitamin C juice that you can put together at the comfort of your home. So the ingredients are very accessible and you can have it ready in just a few minutes. A disclaimer here, this is not a cure for COVID, guys. However, it is an effective addition for you to do at home as to help you beat this COVID infection. So guys, always check with your physician and follow your physician instructions. This is gonna be, yes, vitamin C packed home remedy. It's a good beverage for you to have on a regular day, and it's a knockout, a good punch for cold if you haven't cold. So what I do have here is, again, a liberal amount of ginger. I have 3 chunks of ginger tubers right there. I have a whole basket of strawberries, 4 kiwis. I have this is grapefruit that I've had in the house for some time. So you have some dent here. So hey, what a good time to make good use of it before it goes bad. So I have that grapefruit and of course citrus, some orange. So this is going to be vitamin C dense. Again, knockout for that cold. So I'm going to just clean them up, and I have my juicing machine here. It's a good addition to your kitchen. I'm going to leave a link I'm going to leave a link on the description box below, so that if you're interested in purchasing one, you can definitely do so. In the absence of your juicing machine, you can definitely use the blender to blend. Then you have to strain the pulp in order for you to extract the juice out of it. So yes guys, I'm just going to clean this up and I'll be back to juice our vitamin C knockout punch juice. So as you can see, we have cleaned our fruits, the strawberry, kiwi, oranges all cut in quarters, as well as the grapefruit cut in quarters. I have my lemon, 1 large lemon or 2 small lemon, and I also have slices of the ginger that I'm going to be extracting that wonderful gingeroid antioxidant from jug that I will be transferring the juice into intermittently. To save time of cleaning, I like to bag the roughage receptacle of the juicer, with a clear gallon size bag, so that, or you can even use a grocery bag, just dump that in there, so that it helps you to, it captures the residue that is coming out, which is the pulp that is coming out from the fruits, and reduces your clean time. So this is what I do, guys. I have one bag. I'm just gonna break it open on one side and feed that in here. This is the receptacle. Just like so. You can see that, right? And like that. So now I'm gonna feed that into where it needs to go. So guys, juice extraction time. I'm just gonna, there's no rhyme or reason here, so I'm just going to be adding everything. I can smell this already, guys. This is gonna be really, really tasty. To be working in also the ginger, so I need the moisture from the fruit to really get down to that ginger. And we are doing the ginger, you can smell it. It's quite strong. Just gonna fold this and put at the bottom because I know it's gonna be dripping. Transfer that to my larger jug, and we are back in business. So guys, I'm gonna continue in that manner, just working in the ginger slices. Okay, as we go, it's all mixed. And I shall be back. Here is the blended juice. Right here, you can see it is translucent. You have the higher concentration on the bottom. As much as I can. Because when you taste it, that is just foamy. Get that out of there as much as possible. Alright, and the consistency right now is very thick. So I usually don't like my juice to be that thick. So I like to add some water to it. So I'm gonna add 2 cups of ice. That goes in. Then I'll be adding 2 cups of ice goes in. Give it an instant chill. Okay. And I'm gonna add 1.5 to 2 cups of water as well. Get some cold water. Add that in. Have my long stirring spoon here. And then I'm gonna be working in the lemon. I'm just gonna cut up this lemon into 2 halves. Feed it into my lemon juicer here. And squeeze that fresh goodness into it. Yes. And rub that in as well. There. There you go. Okay, this is it. We are ready. Guys, this is chilled. It is instantly ready for you to drink. To health, to one and to all. Wishing you all a very luscious, delicious, nourishing, and refreshing 365 days in 2022. Happy New Year, everyone. Ooh, yes. It is just delicious, delicious, delicious. A knockout punch for cold remedy in your home. Straight from your kitchen, guys. Straight from your kitchen. Enjoy. It just have its natural sweetness to it. Yes, you can definitely taste the ginger noi juice and flavonoid that is enhancing, giving it a deeper flavor. And you also have the lemon that just give it a wonderful combination. Okay, guys, you cannot go wrong with this. You absolutely cannot go wrong with this. You can use this for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or just a treat for you to relax with in the comfort of your home. Thank you all. If you have not subscribed, please do so. If this is the first time you're joining us, you are welcome wholeheartedly to Mama Niger's Kitchen. And we hope that you do consider subscribing and joining this growing, vibrant family of everyday adventure. And to my ardent supporters, thank you all so much. Until our next episode, enjoy and drink to health and a fruitful 2022.